Hey everyone, this is my Impact Crater experiment for Module 7. I will be demonstrating how a meteorite impact affects a planetary surface, analyzing the crater it leaves behind. So for my surface, I'm using flour and cocoa powder and just pushed it down with the bowl that you see right in front of it. So I'm using basil leaves as my rocky layer on top of my flour for my rocky layer. Using a rock about the size of my hand and also using a highlighter to measure out the impact that it leaves behind. So right now it is in 0.3 speed, kind of set up. I dropped it from about maybe 2 feet high. The camera's kind of like spread out, but it was a lot higher than what I dropped it from. As you can see, I'm just analyzing the impact. I used my highlighter to measure out when the rock was still in the flour. I took out the rock, measured the sides. It's about to where the Bix is to the end. I put the highlighter inside the hole to see how deep the hole was left behind from my quote-unquote meteorite. As you can see in the next part, I am using the rock at a different height to see how much of an impact this one will be. Doing the same thing that I did for my first meteorite dropped, measuring out, analyzing it, measured it out with the highlighter. I see the sides. It really was the same line, but instead it was to the kind of the bright liner to the end of the highlighter. That's when it ended. That was how much of the force left behind. One thing that surprised me was how deep the crater was. If I did this again, I would probably use a smaller rock. I feel like it would do more of damage than a bigger rock. I don't know why, but I just feel like it would. Probably do it at a different height or maybe higher than normal. But yeah, that was my experiment.